The F-22 Raptor is the world's most advanced fighter aircraft, but it is not without its limitations. In this video, we will take a look at some of the key limitations of the Raptor, including its cost, range, weapons load, maintenance requirements, and vulnerability to infrared (IR) missiles. Cost. The F-22 Raptor is one of the most expensive fighter aircraft ever built, with a unit cost of over $150 million. This high cost has limited the number of Raptors that have been built, and it has also made the aircraft difficult to export. Range. The F-22 Raptor has a relatively short range with a combat radius of only about 1,850 nautical miles. This limited range means that the Raptor is not well suited for long-range missions. Weapons load. The F-22 Raptor can only carry a limited number of weapons, which means that it is not as versatile as some other fighter aircraft. The Raptor can carry up to 6 air-to-air missiles and 2 air-to-ground missiles, but it cannot carry a large payload of bombs or other weapons. Maintenance. The F-22 Raptor is a complex aircraft, and it requires a lot of maintenance. This high maintenance requirement can make the aircraft expensive to operate, and it can also limit its availability for combat. Vulnerability to infrared (IR) missiles. The Raptor's stealth technology makes it difficult to detect by radar, but it is still vulnerable to IR missiles. This is because the Raptor's engines emit a lot of heat, which can be detected by IR missiles. Limited ground attack capability. The Raptor is primarily designed for air-to-air combat, and it has a limited ground attack capability. This is because the Raptor cannot carry a large payload of bombs or other ground attack weapons. Susceptibility to electronic warfare, EW. The Raptor's advanced avionics make it vulnerable to EW attacks. This is because EW attacks can disrupt the Raptor's radar and communication systems. These are just some of the limitations of the F-22 Raptor. Despite these limitations, the Raptor is still a formidable fighter aircraft. Its stealth technology, supercruise capability, and advanced avionics make it a valuable asset to the U.S. Air Force. However, the Raptor's limitations will need to be addressed in future fighter aircraft if they are to be truly effective in a modern combat environment.